From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Tuesday evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver with your Tuesday evening weather forecast. Starting this evening, or rather this afternoon is when I'm recording this. Here is a view outside of the Arboretum this afternoon. Not Beaver Stadium, but the Arboretum. And look at that. No clouds in the sky at all. Mr. Sun is finally back, and we are sitting at a temperature of 39 degrees right now. Feeling like 34 though. But that's because it is a little breezy outside with the wind at around 8 miles an hour. So the wind chill is bringing the feels like temperatures down a little bit. Our temperatures and feels like across the region though, 39 in State College, 41 in Du Bois, and upper 30s to lower 40s really throughout the region. Feeling a little cooler though because of the wind, but not too much. And that is the story throughout the Commonwealth. Now, one thing that you will notice is that Pittsburgh is at 44 degrees, which is 1 degree warmer than Philadelphia. So today, Pittsburgh is beating Philly at being the warm spot of the state by just 1 degree. Doesn't happen much. Here's our wind speeds this afternoon. Again, a little breezy this afternoon. Erie's in at a 12-mile-an-hour wind gust, so a little blustery out there. But otherwise, across most of the Commonwealth, just a little breezy this afternoon, so a little bit of a wind chill, but not too significant like we saw a few weeks ago when it got really cold. Our satellite and radar, nothing to be seen across the Commonwealth, which goes well with our Arboretum picture. Sunny skies, nothing to be seen. Now, if we zoom out across the continental United States, we have this area of low pressure off the southeastern coast that is moving out of this region. And then we have a big atmospheric river that brought all the rain to California these past few days, where some areas saw close to a foot of rain and many feet of snow up in the Sierra Mountains. That's finally moving out, giving them a much-needed break from all of that rain that they saw over these past few days. Our pressure tracker, taking a look at what pressure will look like in terms of what our weather can be like. We have high pressure settling over the eastern portion of the United States, which will keep our skies clear throughout tomorrow and then keep the rain away for the rest of the week until maybe the early weekend. We have this area of low pressure that's going to be moving up the northern coast. Might bring us a few showers on Friday night and Saturday, but it's not really going to be much before we have to watch this next area of low pressure here. We'll have to see how this interacts with the environment. But this could be our next big storm system. But again, this is Sunday into Monday, so little ways out to tell for sure. Our future radar and cloud cover, nothing across Pennsylvania. Still no clouds across Pennsylvania on Thursday, but on Thursday night is when the clouds finally return. Might see a few sprinkles on Friday, but nothing too significant before we have to watch this next system right here off the southeast. We'll have to see how this interacts with the environment. Like I said, could it bring us snow, or will it bring us rain, or could it miss us all entirely? That's still a little too far out of the way to really hone in the details, but we know that there is going to be something down here. We'll just have to see exactly what happens. And our temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the next 6 to 10 days, this makes me really happy. We have above average temperatures expected throughout early next week for the northeastern portion of the United States in the northern plains, and I love my warm weather, so I'm pretty happy about this, that we are expecting above average temperatures. And then a little cooler down into the southwest. But bringing it back to tonight, we are expecting the low of 24 degrees with clear skies, no wind, so that will hopefully get rid of all the wind chills, not making it feel any cooler than it actually is tonight. Tomorrow, Mr. Sun is out for one more day, sitting at a high of 45 degrees. Again, calm wind, so no wind chill expected tomorrow. And then our 7-day forecast, we can see that the sun is once again out tomorrow. Thursday is when the clouds return, but the temperature is slowly increasing Thursday, Friday, before peaking on Saturday with a high of 54 degrees, a good 15 degrees above average, before some rain might arrive Sunday night into Monday, and the temperature's dropping down a little bit before peaking out on Tuesday, or at least that's the last day of the forecast period. So that's when they peak out at, bottom out rather, at 40 degrees, which is still a few degrees above average for this time of year in State College. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. Enjoy your Tuesday evening.